Daily life English sentences you must know in 2025. Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, you'll learn real-life English sentences that you can use in your daily routine, at home, in public, or at work. These dialogues will help you sound natural and confident in 2025. Let's begin. At the grocery store, Emma and Ray, excuse me, could you tell me where the eggs are? They're in aisle 4, near the dairy section. Thank you. And do you sell organic eggs? Yes, we do. They're on the top shelf in the green carton. Great. I'll take 2 packs, please. Sure. Anything else you need? No, that's all. Thanks for your help. Ta-da. Kathleen and Sophia, hi. I'd like a large latte with almond milk. Would you like it hot or iced? Hot, please. And can I get a chocolate muffin too? Absolutely. Anything else? That's it. Can I pay by card? Yes, we accept all major cards. Perfect. Thank you. In a taxi, Junaid and Alex, good morning. I need to get to Central Station? Sure. Would you like to take the fastest route or avoid toll roads? Let's go with the fastest route. All right? We'll be there in about 20 minutes, depending on traffic. That works. Thanks. At the office, Noah and Priya, did you get a chance to review the proposal? I did. I really liked the design. Should I make any changes before we send it to the client? Just a few minor edits. I'll email them to you. Great. I'll have the final version ready by this afternoon. Awesome. Thank you. Phone call with a friend, Fatima and Leo. Hey, are we still on for dinner tonight? Yes. Let's meet at 7 at Bella's. Calf sounds good. Should I make a reservation? Already done. I booked a table for 2. You're the best. See you there. At home with family, Maya and Omar. What should we cook for dinner tonight? How about grilled chicken and rice? That sounds good. Do we have all the ingredients? I think we're out of garlic. No problem. I'll go buy some. Clothes shopping, Zara and Michael, excuse me? Do you have this jacket in a size small? Let me check. Yes. Here you go. Can I try it on? Of course. The fitting rooms are on your left. Thanks. I'll let you know if I need a different size. At the airport, Lucas and check-in agent. Hello, I'm flying to New York. Where can I check in? Check-in for American Airlines is just around the corner at counter 12. Thank you. Can I carry this backpack as hand luggage? Yes, as long as it fits. Under the seat in front of you. Got it? Do I need to remove my laptop at security? Yes. Please take it out and place it in a separate tray. Visiting the doctor, Sarah and Dr. Ethan, what seems to be the problem today? I've been having headaches and a sore throat. How long has this been going on? Since Monday? It's getting worse. All right, let me check your temperature and throat. Okay. It looks like a viral infection. I'll prescribe some medication. Meeting someone new, Aria and Chris. Hi, I'm Aria. I just moved into the building. Nice to meet you. I'm Chris. Welcome to the neighborhood. Thanks. Is there a good grocery store nearby? Yes. There's one 2 blocks away. It's open 24/7. Perfect. Hope to see you around again. Definitely. Let's go. These conversations cover everyday situations. Use them, repeat them, and practice often. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life English. Subscribe Arise Avenue and press the bell icon.